good morning, buenos dias.
Good morning.
Today is Monday and we wake up so early kasi may gagawin kami importante. So, Kuya will make me breakfast. What is my breakfast, Kuya?
Jamón, tostada de bollo,
Toasted bread and...
huevo revuelto.
Okay.
Toasted bread, this bread, bollo in Castilla.
Okay. Good.
Jamón, and stirring egg.
Egg. That's one.
All complete the bread.
Complete the bread. Okay, I like it. Food. Ayan. Good morning. Happy it's already 7 o'clock in the morning. 7:10. But still so dark. Ayan. Still dark. Ayan si moon. Ayan. So now we will close the door because it's so cold. Very cold. So, ayan, Kuya is making me a coffee. Nag-volunteer siya kasing gumawa ng breakfast ko. Kasi nag-breakfast niya siya. Maaga siyang nagising, 4 o'clock. He will cook an egg. Yan. Entonces, Kuya,
I love the egg.
and yan, nagtotos siya ng bread, tapos gumagawa siya ng, pangalan nito, ng kape,
Wine.
tapos, ayan, magluluto siya. Pity on my husband.
Okay.
Ayan, You can do it, Kuya. Yes. Ipriprito niya daw yung ordinary ham. Okay. Just one, Kuya. Enough one.
2 minimal. It's a great bread.
Bale, yan. At saka si coffee. Tapos na si coffee. Ayan. Ayan.
Here, not so much water.
Leave that one.
Scrambled egg.
What is that, Kuya?
Scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg for
company of Mr. Ham.
para que?
For your toasted bread.
Para mí.
Sí.
Muchas gracias, amigo. Muchas gracias, Kuya. And what is that? What you put?
Salt, a few salt. I brought in my hand for to know how much falling down the salt.
Okay.
But it's needed to go very few. Like now.
That I cannot eat a crude egg, Kuya.
No, it's cute.
And now you will cook the ham.
Yes, but I think it's few.
Just fast
oil.
it. It's okay that one. I don't like it so much oil. Ayan.
Okay, for the jumping, eh?
Bale.
When I was studying in Cadiz.
Studying in Cadiz.
Yes, I was studying in Cadiz.
And
I prepare all the fried rice dish, but with olive oil, so much olive oil and garlic. And French potato, French fries, but did by me.
fried potato.
Yes.
Chips.
No.
Fried
finger.
potato. Okay.
Look, enough.
The other one.
You can see it's like an idol. It's more because it's very few oil. The problem of this is jumping so much. Jumping means drop a lot of oil.
So, ayan na. Toast na yung ating bread. Patayin na natin. My bread is ready, Kuya. Yeah, my bread is
So much
ready.
fun for you. I don't know if you are going to like.
It's okay. Leave it like that. Okay. Yan.
Yeah.
You don't put oil?
Do you want oil with this?
No,
Vale.
no, leave it like that. Olive oil. The other one, you put olive oil, please.
I put olive oil.
And the other one.
The moment. First is the first.
Just like that.
Oh.
And no need for tomato, Kuya. Tomorrow the tomato. Okay.
I'm going to put very few oil because
On the
oil
other
has
one
the-
only.
look,
On the
look,
yeah, but the other one only. So, eto na. Thank you, Kuya. Ito na ang aking breakfast na ginawa niya. Yan. Yahoo! Kuya make my breakfast. Thank you, Kuya. What you eaten? Thank you. Gracias. Kasi kumain na siya kanina. 4 o'clock gising na siya kasi hindi daw siya makatulog. Kasi niisip niya yung gagawin namin ngayon. So, nagising kami very early. And now, I will take my breakfast. Ayan na siya. Toasted bread with ham and egg. And coffee. Ang harap. Nagpresenta siyang inaabangan niya yung paggising ko. Kasi sabi niya kagabi, tomorrow, I'll make your breakfast. Sabi niya. Kasi pag may sasabihin siya, gagawin niya talaga. Word of honor. Kaya yun, nung namalayan na siyang nagising na ako, tapos nung pupunta ako sa kitchen, sabi niya, ako. Kaya yun, nagpresenta siya. So, kain muna ako, ha? See you later.